Well, everyone, after you made a company or your shop, so we need to make a logo. How do we to make a logo? Let's do it. First, go to template and then click logo. Wait for a while. Fast or not depend to your internet connection. Yeah. For the second one, just choose, don't forget to choose free, and then wait for a while. Scroll down, there are many choices, right? And then remember, if there is RP or berbayar, it means you should pay. Choose there are no logo RP or berbayar. Choose this one. Okay, just choose your favorite. Okay, this. Okay, there are many. Okay, for this one you may choose free. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm trying my best. Okay, there are many, in here I'm trying to find, because okay, this one, because my shop is coffee shop, so I think it's better. Click it. Okay, and then customize this template. Okay, so now I think we don't need to change this glass, because in coffee shop also always use the glass as the symbol. But if you want to change, you made the change. We already learned how to change it. The first one, you should try to find a Google, or even you have your own picture, maybe you made to change the what is that picture with your own photo or a picture. How do we just unggah first or upload first, and then you drag to here if you want to change. But because in this I don't want to change, right? Because I have coffee shop, right? So that's why I think I don't need to change it. I want to change the name only. Okay, and then I like with this one anyway, so I don't need to change the font. I change it with MS coffee shop. Okay, I think I need to change the size. Okay, just drag the position. Okay, and then I change it with this one, halal. Okay, with 100% halal, maybe 100% halal. Okay, I think like this. I think done with this. We can change the font, but I don't want to change it because I like it, right? It's just example if you want to change the font. And then because I like already with this one, I think I don't need to change anything. So I think I'm done to make a logo for my coffee shop. Don't forget to download or undo, right? And then PNG, the form is PNG. We can change it to be PDF, but PNG I think is better, because the PNG is the format for the best picture for logo, so you don't need to change PNG to be PDF or JPG. Just click undo. wait for a while. Okay, just change it the name logo ms coffee shop logo. Click save. I did. To check it, later I'll open in the file manager. Okay, try to open from file manager. Hold on. Click it and try to find download. Okay, maximize first. Okay, this one, yeah. Let me open it first. Double click. Okay, ms coffee shop 100% halal. Yeah, this is my logo. I think enough for today. Just try to make your best. I'm waiting for your logo. See you the next video.